mag-vlog late. And kanina pa kami actually nandito sa Burjuman. Pero, ayun, kasi kanina I'm not actually planning to vlog. Kaya lang, I wanna share our Burjuman Christmas Village experience kineme. Ang haba na ng pila. Punta ka sa snow?
Hindi.
Hindi pa.
Ayaw ko po. Ayaw ko po.
Hey guys, so this is same day lang nung Christmas Village experience namin. And ngayon, scene experience naman after 2 years. So ayan, we'll be watching Spider-Man. Ayan. We're going na. Cinema 10. All those things you do got me feeling like 5, 6, 7. Hey guys, so today is December 20? December 20 na! 5 days na lang! 11:55 and we're on the way to IKEA. So now, we're here lang sa labas ng building and hinihintay na namin yung taxi namin. So, I'm with Bella! Hi!
Hi!
Saan ka punta?
IKEA!
Hi! Yung barawa.
Ay!
Ate!
Ano ko?
Hi!
Hi!
We're on the way to
We're on the way to
IKEA!
IKEA!
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
So, we're here na sa Dubai Festival Center and dito yung IKEA mismo. Hi!
Hi!
So now, we're checking if saan kami kakain. If dito ba sa IKEA or Texas Roadhouse. Bye, JJ! Go!
No, let it go! Let it go!
Finally, we're here sa Texas. Sobrang gutom ko na, grabe. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. And anong oras na? Ayan, almost 1 o'clock na, 12:41 na. Tuwan-tuwan na naman ang isang bata.
Birthday
sa
ka
kanyang
ng isang
inapa.
burger.
Happy ka, B?
Apo.
And then,
Paano mo ka ni B? Paano mo ka ni B? Yan, we have
kasi
some peanuts there.
wag na, tinapay ka na lang. Try, hindi masarap sa dito. Kasi kunin dito.
Hi! So, we're done na kumain. And ngayon, nagsi-CR lang sina Mami. And look at this. Ang cool. Nakakita kami ng sasakyan na gawa sa Lego. Ayan, look at that. Pati yung details gawa sa Lego. Then sa likod niya, ito yung history. So, 2,688 hours siya bago nagawa. And 440,000 yung bricks or Lego na ginamit. I realized 5 days na lang mag-Christmas na. Oh my gosh. Ang bilis ng panahon. We made it to December. And ilang araw na lang, 2022 na. Grabe guys.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree.
Hey guys, so it's currently 2:59 and we're finally here na sa IKEA. Ang reason kung ba't kami andito. So we'll be buying some stuffs lang and i-check namin kung may mga mabibili kami. Merong mga showrooms here para you can see may magustuhan kayo and paano nyo siya gagamitin or paano nyo siya isa-style. Like this one, this is a whole room. So, if ganito lang yung space mo, pwedeng ganyan yung style or inspo nyo. So, this is another example of a showroom. Ito naman pag may mga kids kayo, ganyan. Oh, these are cute. Sun, butterfly. Look at this one. Pag sobrang liit lang ng space mo, andyan na lahat. Like yung kitchen, ito na yung bed. Meron pa ditong TV. Ayan. Uy, let's go na!
Let's go, Bella.
So we're currently walking na papunta sa parking. And I guess I'll end this vlog here na. Kasi for sure, tatama din akong mag-outro pag nakauwi and nakaligo na. So, ayun, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!